Pungnur municipality, sir. So now I'm sharing these share slides on awareness campaign conducted in Pungnur municipality. So actually we know that the corona is the alarming situation throughout the globe. Okay. So before that, so I want to introduce about Pungnur municipality. So in Andhra Pradesh, Pungnur is a second grade municipality located in Chittoor district under Anantapur region. The municipality has an extent of 16.53 square kilometers. The population of town is around 54,000 as per 2011 census. So and floating population is around more than 3,000. So actually the Pungnur municipality is divided into 24 election wards and 31 revenue blocks. So it is divided into 20 notified poor settlements and 13 non-notified poor settlements. So actually in the Pungalur municipality, it consists of one government hospital and 11 private hospitals and one primary health center with a total strength of 17 doctors. So actually if you see, so the Narendra Modi proposed the Janata curfew on March 21st. So after that, we know that the lockdown. So if you see what measures we took in our Pungalur municipality, actually, so we purchased personal protective equipment for the primary health workers. At the same time, we procured the disinfectants at the emergency basis. At the same time, one quarantine center was established near Pungnur and Madanpalli, which must accommodation more than 500 beds. At the same time, before lockdown, so with the help of municipal authorities, we began closing of public places on March 18th and 19th. This include education institute and non-essential commercial activities also. So at the same time, before lockdown, we took special sanitation drive and disinfection activities which were conducted in each and every ward. So if you see here, every PH worker is wearing a personal protective equipment, which is called PPEs. At the same time, they are carrying this this one sprayers. So at the same time, after lockdown, if you see, it is a rapid influence COVID-19 became serious issue to spread coronavirus. Okay, so in the lockdown, the containment zones were barricaded with some banners which were not allowed into the containment zone. At the same time, in the lockdown, with the help of uh, Chamber of Association, we supplied essential commodities. Here you can see. At the same time, we traced primary and secondary contacts with the help of ANMs. So here you can see. So whatever positive cases were found in the municipal limits, it is actually reflected to dashboard in the district officials, and they will announce to the municipalities to take necessary actions. At the same time, in lockdown period, um, with the help of PH workers, we sprayed sodium hypochlorite to each and every nook corner. So here you can see sanitation drive. So as per preventive measures for COVID-19, sodium hypochlorite and lime is sprayed in all the premises in the town. During the course of January to November for eradication of corona, which is pandemic and disturbed a lot in the globe. So for prevention of this, we spread sodium hypochlorite. Here you can see some pictures. So actually, we went for huge tankers like tractors, which is used to spray pesticides in mango orchards. So actually, because of this huge tankers, we can spray entire town within the hours. So we went to these huge tankers and spraying sodium hypochlorite. At the same time, sprinkling bleaching with the help of some MLAs, MPs, and ward councillors, and with the help of some secretariat and volunteers. Here you can see the wearing of PPEs and spraying sodium hypochlorite with the help of PH workers. Actually, the sodium hypochlorite have to take 1:10 quantity, because if you take that sodium hypochlorite, it may cause damage to others. So that we take 1:10 ratio. At the same time, in the lockdown period, distributed so many masks to the citizens which are present in the Pungalur municipality. At the same time, these masks were also given by some NGOs and some local authorities. At the same time, we supplied sanitizers to the frontline workers as well as PH workers, at the same time citizens. So if you see the COVID cases, so actually cases were reported 750 and death cases are 7. If you see the death rate 0.93, that means because of all these activities we reduced the death rate. Actually we concentrated on below 5 years and the persons who are above age 50 years, so that the death rate or mortality is decreased. So these are the some slides which will explain about the activities which are taken by the Pungalur municipality. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. This Pungalur municipality, you have mentioned the steps taken,
Sir.
and you have also mentioned that the cases reported were only 750.
Yes, sir.
How many tests were conducted?
So actually, no data, sir. I have to.
Okay.
So actually, the first case was reported on May 2nd, sir, during the second phase. Actually, in first phase, we didn't receive any positive case because of we are taking more IS activities to the people. At the same time, we brought good behavioral changes in the people through mic announcements like that.
And what is the status now?
So, pardon, which among cases?
Yeah, number of cases, or I mean, are you still advising people to wear masks and maintain distance?
Yes, sir. Social. They have already before given how to maintain social distance and wearing masks. Till now, also going, sir.
Are you still getting cases?
Sir, I have no data.
Okay. Fine. Basically, you have mentioned the steps taken, but the number of cases reported and the number of case fatality rate you have mentioned, that is 0.93%, which is lesser than the national average.
Sir.
Yeah. And what is the population of your municipality?
54,000.
54,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for the